MSI, the Taiwanese tech brand renowned for its gaming laptops, has once again expanded its range of cutting-edge offerings in the bustling Chinese market. The latest addition to their impressive lineup is the formidable MSI Titan GP68 HX laptop. Engineered with meticulous attention to detail, this laptop has been tailored to cater to the insatiable demands of avid gamers who seek seamless and rapid performance. At the forefront of its features, the MSI Titan GP68 HX boasts a lavish 16-inch display that showcases a striking 2.5K resolution. What truly sets this display apart is its remarkable 240Hz refresh rate, ensuring an exceptionally smooth and immersive gaming experience, free from the annoyances of motion blur. Furthermore, the laptop's display embraces the entirety of the DCI-P3 color gamut, providing a vivid and lifelike visual palette. The laptop's appearance caters to gamers' aesthetic preferences, offering a SteelSeries backlit keyboard, complete with customizable RGB lighting and translucent WASD keys, which are quintessential for discerning gamers. This attention to detail enhances the overall gaming ambience and experience. The MSI Titan GP68 HX delivers remarkable audio and visual experiences. Equipped with dual 2-watt stereo speakers, the laptop ensures that the auditory component of gaming is as captivating as the visuals. Additionally, the 720p IR webcam not only facilitates seamless video conferencing, but also allows streamers to present themselves in high definition. Beneath the sleek exterior lies a powerful combination of hardware configurations. The laptop is offered in two distinct variants. One features a 13th generation Intel Core i9 processor, seamlessly paired with a potent 12GB NVIDIA GeForce RTX4060 GPU, while the alternative variant boasts a 13th generation Core i7 processor, coupled with a formidable 12GB RTX 4080. Both configurations provide ample computing power to tackle the most demanding of games and tasks. With up to 16 GB of DDR5 RAM and a generous 1TB SSD storage capacity, users can expect rapid responsiveness and ample space for their gaming libraries. To tackle heat dissipation, the MSI Titan GP68 HX employs a sophisticated cooling system, featuring dual fans and 6 heat pipes. This guarantees that the laptop maintains optimal performance levels even during extended gaming sessions, preventing throttling and maintaining peak performance. Despite its impressive power, the MSI Titan GP68 HX remains highly portable, fortified with a 4-cell 90Wh battery that can be recharged at a rapid pace, thanks to support for 330W charging. Connectivity options on this laptop are diverse, encompassing two USB 3.2G and two Type-C ports, two USB-A ports, an HDMI 2.1 port, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and an Ethernet port. This array of connectivity ensures that gamers can seamlessly integrate their peripherals and accessories, enhancing their overall experience. Starting at an affordable $1,340, the Core i9 variant of the MSI Titan GP68 HX delivers a powerhouse of processing prowess. The 13th generation Intel Core i9 processor, combined with a 12GB NVIDIA GeForce RTX4060 GPU, ensures that gamers can unleash their full potential in the virtual realm without any hindrances. This configuration provides a balance between price and performance, offering top-tier components without straining the budget. For those who demand even more from their gaming experience, the Core i7 model of the MSI Titan GP68 HX comes at a price of around $1,865. This variant features the same exceptional quality and appearance, but with a 13th generation Intel Core i7 processor, coupled with the formidable 12GB RTX 4080 GPU. This configuration is tailored for gamers who seek the very best in performance, and are willing to invest a little more for that edge. I hope you enjoyed the video, so don't forget to hit the like button. Have a nice day and God bless you.